What is the meaning of education? So, first of all, etymology of education. The term education is derived from the Latin word educere, which means to bring up, and also another Latin word educere means to bring forth. Definition of education. Education is the development of all those capacities in the individual which will enable him to control his environment and fulfill his responsibilities. Meaning of education. Education in the broadest sense is any act or experience that has a formative effect on the mind, character, or physical ability of individual. In its technical sense, education is the process by which society deliberately transmits its accumulated knowledge, skills, and values from one generation to another. Education can be understood as the deliberate and systematic influence exerted by a matured person thoughts, instruction, and discipline. Education leads to the harmonious development of all the powers of human being: physical, social, intellectual, and aesthetic and spiritual. The essential elements in the educative process are creative mind, a well integrated self, socially useful purpose, and experience related to the interests of the individual, needs, and ability of the individual as of a social group.